Hi, this is Vijay Kumar, Assistant Professor of Statistics, St.Joseph College of Autonomous. So today my topic time series moving averages. So time series define the forecast is a prediction of the future events used for the planning process. Time series is the repeated observation of demand for a series or a product in their order of occurrence sequence of time. Components of a time series. A time series can consist of five components: is a horizontal and stationary. The second one is long-term trend. As third one is cyclical effect, seasonal effect, random variation. The trend is a long-term, uh, relatively smooth pattern or direction that persists usual for more than 1 year. A cyclical is a wake-like pattern described a long-term behavior for more than 1 year. Cyclic or known regular and often appear in combination with the other components. The seasonal components of this time series exhibit a short term less than 1 year calendar repeat repetitive behaviors. These are for cyclical. Seasonal variation, the random variable comparison, the irregular unpredictable change in this time series tend to hide the other more predictable components. The, Another one is forecasting time series forecasting methods. Consider the model applicable to time series data with seasonal trend or both seasonal and trend components and stationary data. Computing trends, we have to compute the effect of the trend by this regression analysis. In other words, we can remove the effect of the seasonal or random variable by regression analysis. Y cap t, that is equal p naught plus p1 t. The moving average and exponential smoothing methods consider the model applicable to time series data for extracting seasonal components. Forecasting method decision can be classified as average method, equally weighted observation, exponential smoothing methods. Unequal set of the weight to post data where the weight decays the exponentially for the most recent to the most distance data points. All methods in this group require that the certain parameter to be defined. Those parameters with value between 0 and 1 with determined the unequal weight to be applied to the post data. The moving average, some definition, a n pairs moving average for the time period t is the arithmetic average of the time series value of the n most recent n period. These are for third year moving average at the period t plus 1 is the calculated by the yt minus 2 plus yt minus 1 plus yt whole divided by 3. That in moving average, the center moving average method consists the computing and averaging of n pairs data and associating in this midpoint of this period. Some example, the average of period 5, 6, and 7 is associated with period 6. The moving average, your large K is described when there are wide in infrequent fluctuation in the series. The small case most described can there are should shift in this the level of the series. For inquiry data, a 4-quarter moving average. This is for elements average out of seasonal effects. The moving average for monthly data, 12-month moving average, eliminate or average out of seasonal effects. Equally like weight are assigned to each observation used in this average. Each new data points is included in the average as it becomes available, and the lowest data points is described. Summary of the moving average. Advantage of the moving average: easily understood, easily compute, provide stable forecast. Disadvantage of the moving average method: requires saving all the part based n data points, large behind the trend, ignore the complex relationship in this data. These are for some third year moving average, fourth year moving average, and some moving average trend and actual lines. This is for second and fourth period. I had to use the average of the using. Here the certain third year moving average, non-certain moving average. And thank you very much. Thank you all.